Alright, so you want to fly 3D and you can't be bothered going on AliExpress and buying these, waiting on the slow boat from China. I found something new. You don't need 3D props anymore. Check this out. So now that you're interested, what do? Well, you just make a cheap quad. I'm using an X210 with Racer Star speed controllers, Samguk Woo motors, 2206, 2500 kV I think it was. F4 flight controller, so you can run beta 3.5. It runs really well, 3.5 in 3D. On stock PIDs, all I've changed are my rates and the exponential. HS1177 cam, 4:3 ratio. The important thing is to put a 1.8mm lens on. Before I put the 1.8 on, as soon as I went inverted, couldn't see where I was going. It was scary, and it was scary for people watching. But now with the 1.8, I can see where I'm going, even with the camera angle like that when I'm upside down. Yeah, throw a GoPro on the top and have a great time. It's so simple to do. It's literally 3 clicks in Betaflight and a couple of clicks in BL Heli. If you're interested, I'll link you to Zoe's video. She explains it really well. And yeah, have fun with it. So you've seen a lot of videos and in 3D, and you see when people do their transitions, it looks kind of robotic. There's a clunk, there's a step, there's a wobble. That's going to happen. The motor's stopped, they lose grip. That can't be helped. The trick is, you just saw my video, the transitions are quite smooth. There's no video stabilization, there's no trickery, there's no smoke and mirrors, strings or anything. It's just, I'm using physics, gravity, and physics to my advantage. What I'm doing is before I want to flip over, I'm giving it a bit of throttle and doing my transition while I'm in 0G, and the motors are already started the other way before gravity takes over again. And if you can do that change while you're in 0G, you're going to have a much smoother transition. So yeah, just practice that. Practice giving a little pump before and then flipping over and catching it before gravity catches it. The only problem is you can't give too much if you're in a tight spot because you will climb. So it's just muscle memory, thumbs, you'll get it. All right, good luck. Let's look at the props, the most important part, the props. I'm using the HQ Durable 5x45 V3, the DP5s, these puppies. And they're great, they work. Go get them, try them, and try 3D.